Let's make a great first impression on German speakers by introducing yourself in German. Sich Vorstellen refers to the act of telling someone your name and perhaps some additional information about yourself. I will be teaching you the common ways of introducing yourself with some helpful tips, short dialogues on real life situations, and pronunciation. Let's begin. If you are, for example, at a business event or any formal event, or you are meeting someone new and you do not know a person's name, you may ask, Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? This means, what is your name? This is a formal phrase as we are using Sie, which is a formal form of you. In informal situations, you would generally use Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? To ask someone their name. This form of address is used with friends, family members, or people you are familiar with. In response to the question Wie heißt du, one can say Ich heiße, followed by his or her name. For example, Ich heiße Anna. This phrase is an informal way of introducing yourself when you are meeting someone for the first time or in casual conversations with friends and acquaintances. Mein Name ist, followed by your name, or you can say Ich bin, followed by your name. It means my name is. It is appropriate to use mein Name ist or Ich bin in formal situations and in response to the question Wie heißen Sie? There is another way of asking someone their name, which is Wie ist Ihr Name? Wie ist Ihr Name? This is a formal way of addressing someone and is generally used in professional or formal settings when meeting someone for the first time or when addressing someone of higher status. For example, if you are at a job interview or at a formal event or meeting a client, etc., you could use this phrase to ask the name. Wer sind Sie? Wer sind Sie? This means who are you? Wer means who. It is a more direct and assertive way of asking someone's identity compared to Wie heißen Sie or Wie ist Ihr Name phrases. This phrase is used in situations where you want to know more about a person's identity or role. For example, if someone enters a room and you are not able to identify that person, you could ask, Wer sind Sie? To find out his name and purpose for being there. We will now go through some helpful and important tips. Firstly, start with a greeting. When introducing yourself, it is polite to start with a greeting. In German, you can say Hallo, Guten Tag, Guten Abend to greet someone. You can watch my video on how to greet in German to build an effective sentence. Next, after the greeting, introduce yourself by saying Ich heiße, which means my name is, or Ich bin, which means I am. Then say your name and any other relevant information such as your age, nationality, or occupation. For example, Ich heiße Maria und ich komme aus Spanien, which means my name is Maria and I am from Spain. Ask the other person to introduce themselves. It is also polite to ask the other person for their name. You can say Wie heißen Sie or und Sie, which means and you. This shows that you are interested in getting to know the other person. Finally, end the introduction with a farewell. You can say Auf Wiedersehen or Tschüss for bye or Bis bald for see you soon. Let us now move to our Kurzdialoge or short dialogue section. Here you will see conversations between two people and we will look at formal situations, informal situations and a dialogue with Wer sind Sie? Guten Tag, ich heiße Anna Müller. Wie heißen Sie? Good day, my name is Anna Müller. What is your name? Guten Tag, ich bin Herr Schmidt. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Good day, my name is Mr. Schmidt. It's a pleasure to meet you. Gleichfalls, können Sie mir ein bisschen über sich erzählen? Same here. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself? Ich komme aus Spanien und arbeite bei Siemens. I'm from Spain and work with Siemens. Das ist interessant. Vielen Dank für die Vorstellung. That's interesting. Thank you for the introduction. Now in informal situation. Hallo, ich bin Lara. Wie heißt du? Hello, my name is Lara. What is your name? Ich heiße Tobias. Wie alt bist du, Lara? My name is Tobias. How old are you, Lara? Ich bin 15. I am 15. Ich bin auch 15. I'm also 15. Now a dialogue with Wer sind Sie? Guten Tag, ich bin der neue Nachbar. Wer sind Sie? Good day, I'm the new neighbor. Who are you? Guten Tag, mein Name ist Max. Ich wohne hier seit ein paar Jahren. Herzlichen Willkommen in der Nachbarschaft. Good day, my name is Max. I've been living here for a couple of years. Welcome to the neighborhood. Vielen Dank. Thank you very much. It's now time to practice the pronunciation of the phrases we have learned today. I would be repeating the phrases twice. Listen them carefully and repeat after me. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Wie ist Ihr Name? Wie ist Ihr Name? Wer sind Sie? Wer sind Sie? I hope you practiced along with me. For any queries, please reach out to me in comment section or on my email ID mentioned in the description. I would be happy to answer them. See you in the next class. Cheers!